Jack Swagger's been a big name in this industry for a long time, but Sami Zayn is the one with the crowd behind him here at NXT.
Yeah, and let's not forget Sami Zayn has all that international experience. He's been doing this for years and years.
So nothing compares to locking up with a WWE superstar. Let's see what he can do with this opportunity to take on Jack Swagger.
Impact and then some. Bam! Timber! And he falls hard.
Jack Swagger going to work now.
Reversal. You know, I've been very impressed with the way in which Sami Zayn approaches his matches. You can really tell he's having fun out there.
But don't let that smile fool you. He's intense, and he's the real deal inside that ring.
Well, I know that's true, but when you've competed in 29 different countries before, even stepping foot inside an NXT ring, it's pretty safe to say you know what you're going to do once the bell rings.
And the offensive display by Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn has had to compete against main roster talent week after week here on NXT.
Yeah, and he hasn't always walked away with the win. But you know what? I like to compare it to a college team going up against the pros and only losing by 2 points. That's pretty impressive.
And along the way, Sami Zayn has impressed the WWE brass. He's so unique, really a different type of competitor.
Cole, what's he got in mind? Uh-oh.
No way. What a move from Sami Zayn. That's how you impress the WWE Universe, folks. And this has got to be it. No! Shoulders up at 2. Oh, Jack Swagger may have found it.
If he keeps delivering clotheslines like that, he's going to break his arm. Hey, he's going for it again.
Oh, the reversal by Jack Swagger. Oh, a big fall out of the ring. Now back to the ring.
Uh-oh, look at this. Oh, trying to put him away. Sami Zayn smashes that one. Oh, man, I don't think Jack Swagger was expecting this kind of fight from Sami Zayn, Cole.
Well, if he was smart, he would have asked his tag team partner, Suzanne. What a move!
Shoulders down. 2, 3.
And standing before you, your winner, folks, Sami Zayn.
Here is your winner, Sami Zayn.
A huge win for Sami Zayn here tonight.
Wow, Sami Zayn has now defeated both Real Americans. This kid is so talented, Cole.